If we're promoting
February,
if we're promoting his channel, don't you think we should pay for the food?
2023 February.
It's
23rd.
It's February 23rd, 2022. And we're doing a little Subway. Tristan, you go first. Let's see what yours. No, you're going first. You want to
He's
eat?
going first.
You're going first.
No, I'm not.
You're going first. Who wants to go first?
You.
So we got the chocolate chip cookie right here. We are gonna test it out and give you an honest review. You're not supposed to eat it. You're supposed to get an honest review. Stop it. Okay. What do you give your sandwich or your wrap? What do you give your wrap?
An 8.
An 8? Okay. 8 out of what?
10.
Okay. What do you give it? A 9. Ready? Go.
Go, Brianna. Jeez.
Okay. What do you give it? No. What do you guys give it?
73.
73 out of what? 4. Okay.
A 9 out of 10.
We're doing a video.
We're filming.
So.
Okay. What do you give it?
9 out of 10.
9 out of 10. Okay. Now it's time for me to go. You got the.
Some roads were better than others. Maybe Perry.
Tell them what you got.
You got the chicken teriyaki sandwich with the chipotle sauce. So, give you guys an honest review.
What's for dinner? I have no clue.
Out of 86.
Dang, Trevor.
He sweats when he plays.
Went to the gym.
Give it a 69 out of 87.
What?
I'm gonna pause this video. I'm gonna get back at you guys.
Yeah.
Okay, we're
Hey,
back at it
black
again.
2 minutes after
We're gonna
waking
try the
up,
chocolate
so.
chip cookie. Give you guys an honest review out of 7.
Where's your daughter? Oh.
6.